Dive into ponder, understanding its depths. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're diving deep into a beautiful word in the English language, ponder. Ever heard of it? Well, whether you're familiar with it or not, by the end of this video, you'll not only know what it means but also how to use it effectively in your conversations. The word ponder is a verb, and it means to think about something carefully before making a decision or before reaching a conclusion. Imagine you're trying to solve a challenging puzzle, and you're taking your time to consider every piece and every possibility. That's what it's like to ponder. Understanding a word becomes much easier when we see it in context. Let's check out some examples. 1. She sat by the window, pondering the mysteries of the universe. 2. Before making a big decision, it's always wise to ponder the consequences. 3. He pondered whether to continue his journey or return home. Notice how, in each of these sentences, the word emphasizes a deep, reflective thought process. Knowing synonyms, or words that have a similar meaning, can further enrich your vocabulary. Some synonyms for ponder include contemplate, mull over, reflect on, consider. For instance, you can say, she contemplated her next move in the game, and it would convey a similar meaning as if you had used pondered. English is filled with idiomatic expressions and phrases. With ponder, a common one you might come across is ponder over something. This simply reinforces the idea of thinking deeply about a particular subject. Example, he spent the evening pondering over the book's complex storyline. So, there you have it. We've just unraveled the meaning, usage, synonyms, and common phrases associated with the word ponder. The next time you're deep in thought, contemplating a matter of significance, remember this word and sprinkle it into your conversations. We hope this video has been insightful and helps you in your journey of mastering the English language. Happy learning!